Domestic electrical fitting ETC Haiba Hiramda June Dagi June Mapan Phouba Pangthokhiba Entrepreneurship Development Program ADUDA SARUK YAKHIBA Trainee SHINGDA Certificate KHUTSHIN THOURAM Government of Manipur Department of Science and Technology na SHINDUNA TAKYELPAT LEIBA Manipur Science Center gi Auditorium da ngasi Pangthokhere THOURAM ADUDA Government of Manipur gi Youth Affairs and Sport YAS amadi Science and Technology SNT gi Secretary Naurem Pravesing IAS Science and Technology SNT Manipur gi Director Tingakam Sachi Government of Manipur Science and Technology SNT Joint Secretary Layafai Rita Amadi Department of Science and Technology Manipur Joint Director TD Com Mioi Singasana to Bimitungden Oina Thoramaduda Sarukyaki Thoramaduga Madi Lenena Government of Manipur Yas and SNT Secretary Naurem Pravesing IAS na Pangthokhibada Manipur Yum Anong Bama Sabada electric fitting Tawada Fazana Ningtina Kang Haidaba Amana Tawba Patautai Natrabadi short circuit Tolokpa Yabagi Changyam Wangi Manipur da Atoba project Amagi any fitting Tawnaba Mitirakpada Mapalomdagi Nila Aga Toba Natrabadi Hek Ngam Masisu Aikoina Hotnaba Watpanani, Ngasi Aikoina Wadi Basisu economic lamda Sontabanani, Aikoi economic analysis of Kathanba Matautai, Mipung Kudimagna, Yumda, Paisa Watana Paidaga Tamlaga Madu economic test of Papura Oi, economic test of Kathan Bahai Basi Potok Marangkaina Potopangam Labakanda, Chakot Pangam Gani, Lady by Youth Singasina Mato Masakanga Suba Nomba Tandana, Tabak Torabadi, Laibak Asi, Chokot Pada Atokumating Oigani, Government Tabaktana, Tabaknati Haina Mahakna Fondoki, Taramaduda Makatarakpada. Domestic electrical fitting ETC gi third batch da SARUK YAKHIBA trainer kunmari da certificate chu KHUTSHIN naki.
Sigi hauze 15 to 21 years lay. Aduna roughly 10 lakhs में blaze Manipur. 10 lakhs से sigi age group से lay meme kai sigi characteristics kai no ki. They are energetic, they are healthy. Then they are eager to learn things. Eager to learn things. Creative ideas, innovative and sigi potential sigi population say sida any program which is targeted to make them better human being by skilling them up. Moida required skill piraga. Makogi Haiba economic growth or to produce more goods, productive goods and service. Sit our country economic growth or I will say Huziki 10 lakhs in a skillful way than Magi can we say Kutshahi Brisang say Hanigi Hana Hamoda Imungu Lekaibo. Aigi Iramdambo, Aigi Kungambo, Aigi State Shibo, Aigi District Shibo, Shenbagi Wakalonche, a Pavagi can say. See, we don't put him on the Madu, Pona Bonaga down there. Do Kakta than ever. Economy, Adi Samaz, Sokolakadorish. Aduna Sigumba can say, the Dagisu, youth appears and Harisi basically, I know the Piriba. Igi core department, youth affairs and sports and Harisi. See, Sigi purview the Loy Lakuni. Anything to do with youth,